Where you are right now is merely a reflection of your past thoughts. So we're gonna get this right up here. We're gonna get them thoughts right. We're gonna do that today. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. What I'm gonna talk about today is some plays, some different plays over this coming week. I'm going to be bringing you guys a lot of tokens that we don't talk about as much on this platform, if at all. And the reason I'm going to bring you these low cap gems and maybe some mid caps too is because I still see them as an opportunity, even if I don't hold them. And I'm going to start off today with one such token that I still feel that is at a good price point for entry for a bunch of you guys, and especially those of you with limited cash flow. I want to bring you this token because I still feel like it's a good opportunity to get some good money out of it. So with that, I'm not gonna give you such a really thorough breakdown of the token. I'm just going to let you know the things that make me bullish on the token and give you a little bit about the token if I can for just the sake of the length of the video. So with that said, for those of you, and we're going to be talking about JASMY token, if you couldn't already tell by the thumbnail, and I know it's a lot of people out there that love JASMY token. I even used to hold a nice little bit. Um, but I'm not biased. Just because I don't hold a token doesn't mean I don't want to cover it, because there is still an opportunity for those of you that's trying to make some money. For those of you that like videos like this, um, welcome to subscribe. Hit that bell notification so that you don't miss a video like this, because this is going to be a really good week for you guys to really make some money. That's my goal right here, for you guys to make some money. And leave me a like if you like videos like this. And we're going to jump over here to, hold on, let me get this set up for you guys. We're going to jump over here. We're going to jump over here to coin market cap. And markets are down. Markets are really bleeding today and yesterday. And I still feel like this is a great opportunity for a lot of you that maybe have some disposable income, or you've taken my advice and say, you know, I'm not going to go out and maybe eat out a lot here in just for a short time, so I can take that money and actually make some more money on it. But anyway, Jasmine is one of them such prices. We're looking right now at it's almost at 4 cents, but it's still down for the 7 day. Actually, but this is the overall chart. You know, 1 year. This is the overall chart of Jasmine. And just for reference, I was in Jasmine right around back here. Had a nice little bag. Should have kept it, but hey, I wanted to put it in some of these other plays. Doesn't mean it's not a good play. Tell you a little bit about it. Jasmine is one of those tokens that they used to call it the Bitcoin of China. I believe it's Bitcoin of China, but we'll look at that. This is one of their first own uh, tokens, which makes it really cool. And what they are doing with this token is even cooler. They're big on data, and they feel like people should be able to take control of their own data. Like a lot of companies own your data when it comes to a lot of things, like maybe your smartwatches and different information that gets reported back to a lot of these big 500 fortune companies, so that they can see your buying habits and different things. Well, this particular company is all about people owning their own data and actually even getting paid for their data based on who wants to use their data. So I like that. It's a self custody type thing. It is a part of the Ethereum network. Token has been around for a good while. Let's see. Let's look at the all time. This token has been around since. This token's been around since 2021. You see a high price of $4. It reached $4. And from the looks of things, it's a possibility that it could seriously go back there. One of the other things I like about this token, let me see, is that am I right on that all-time high? Hold on 1 second. Give me a sec, guys. All time high, almost $5. Wow. Wow, that's big time. Before I forget, another thing, you can buy this token on Coinbase Exchange, Binance. You can pretty much buy JASMY token on everywhere. You can buy it on crypto.com. All the places these centralized these major exchanges already hold the token, which makes it a lot easier for you guys who don't really know how to don't know how to make purchases on maybe a MetaMask or some of these decentralized platforms. So that's another thing that makes it good. But here's the big one that you guys are probably would like to know. All of the circulating supplies out there, they have a total of 50 billion tokens. It's already out there. And from what I was looking at, they will not be anymore. This is finite, which also makes it cool. Um, the market cap on this thing it's almost at a $2 billion market cap. So it's right up there at that mid cap placement where you guys really want to see. I wish I'd have brought it to you way back in the day when it was a small cap. My apologies on that. Um, but I've been sitting around thinking of some of the I want you guys to do well. I really want all of you guys to do well in this upcoming altcoin season. So that's why I'm going to branch out to some of these other plays that we don't talk about so much, that because I know a lot of you can get in on these. I really think this is a good one. This is a good one. Um, let's crack over here to their Twitter, which I was checking out too, and they're right at 100,000 basically followers. They're only following 37 people. They're very active. They are very active on their Twitter. Very active. So it's a lot going on. If you want to follow these guys, make sure you do so by going over to Twitter. Again, if you guys don't have an account on Twitter, you're making a grave mistake. You don't have to check it all the time. Even if you just want to follow me and look at the posts that I share on my Twitter, at least you'll have a Twitter. So you can check that out. All of my information down below. Let's move on to the company profile. Okay, and I think this is so cool too. Here's the company profile: JASMY Incorporated, established in 2016. Token actually came out in 2021. Let me see. And this is their management structure. This is their team. I will leave this down below so you guys can check them out. So I'm not gonna go like into a great detail of all these guys, but I will leave it down below for you guys if you want to go and just do some reading on it. Let me jump over here to all right, JASMY, decentralized data democracy. And this is what they're about. They said, here it is here. This is what I was talking about. I said China. My bad. It's actually billed as Japan's Bitcoin. JASMY is a tokenized platform that champions the democratization of data by combining blockchain and this IoT is basically Internet of Things technology to provide an infrastructure that allows anyone to use data safely and securely. And I like that. I actually like that as well. They aim to regain data sovereignty for all. And it's basically like I was telling you guys in the short format, this is what they're about. Um, but as I go back over here and I look at the again, they have oops, hold on. Excuse me. I got back over here. Um, man, this market cap, it's amazing. Seriously, it's amazing where they came back from. These basically, this token was pretty much dead, and it's been resurrected, and it's now climbing the charts. You don't have to look far on the internet to see a lot of people making money on this. Their volume, they got some pretty good volume, although it's down right now. Almost 300 million in 24-hour volume, whether that's selling or buying. That's still phenomenal. And like I say, they're right up there in the mid cap. I actually might actually buy a small bag, and that's honestly, I might actually buy another small bag. I'm really I kicked myself because of when I got it and then got out of it. I kicked myself about that. But again, I'm not going to chase this thing. I'm not going to chase that. But I am I do have another portfolio that I put small little things like maybe $200 or something in the JASMY, and I look at that just as a test. I'm also thinking about making a test wallet for the community, and maybe putting like $1,500 in that test wallet, just as play money, just to show you guys this is what a pretty decent portfolio look like. So I'm thinking about doing that as well. But I'm looking at JASMY token as a pretty good one. This is a good one. This is a good one, and at this market cap right here of what are you at? Oops. With this market cap right here, the mid cap, man, a lot of people saying it could reach $1, and that's what I've been hearing, and that's what I'm looking at. I mean, it wouldn't be like it didn't go there before. It's been at $4.99, and with the way everyone is picking it up, everyone is talking about it again. That's all you need. All you really need is the people backing you, and a good project, and they're shaping up to be that. I mean, if they're being if people are saying they're Japan's Bitcoin, well, we know how many people live in Japan, so that makes a big difference. They pretty much have their own token. So this is one that I am thinking, as a community, you got a little bit of us money, and you're trying to find some of these plays that we were talking about, that we've been really covering over the last couple of weeks. And I've been telling you, you want your money to grow, so you want to grab something that you can grab more multiples of. This is one of those plays. This is actually one of those plays. Of course, that's not financial advice, but if I had if I was just starting out in crypto with maybe $1,000, $1,500, or maybe even $500, this would be one of the plays that I would add to my wallet, because it's one of those plays I know that I can make money on in the long term. And actually, in the short term, if we want to look at it, because here we are heading toward altcoin season, so things are looking up for this token. This is a pretty good one. You guys let me know. Also, make sure you check out the links down below, and I have links for and this is and I meant to cover this a while back, but for all of you new investors that are getting into crypto, if you're seriously thinking about and considering putting some serious money into crypto, and I think personally, anything 100 to thousand, $1,500, whatever, I think that's still, you worked hard for that money. You really need to consider getting a cold storage wallet, so that if an exchange or something goes down, you still have custody of your crypto. I use Ledger and Tangent Wallet. I've been using Tangent Wallet even more now, though, because I like the ease of use. I have links down below. They are affiliated with the channel, and you can it helps the channel out too. If you use my link, you actually get a discount on your Tangent Wallet or Ledger Wallet, whichever one you choose to go with. And I also been I've started playing around with leverage trading as well on MARGEX, and I have a link down below for that. If you guys want to, if you guys, if you really want to just branch out and do a little bit more playing in the crypto market, leveraging, playing with leverage cash is really, really, really good, as long as you play responsibly. So you can check that link out below as well. And until the next one, y'all, yeah, Jasmine. All right, I'm out.